Good morning, guys. We're up early and I want to start painting. So, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean off the cupboards section by section because I'm probably gonna still need to use the stove when the kids wake up to make them breakfast. So, I'm just gonna do it section by section, and I'm gonna use some regular soap and water, and then use a clean rag, wipe it off, and then use a dry rag to dry it off, and then wait until it's dry. But you can use degreaser. I'm sure degreaser will work just fine. And that's how we're gonna start off today. There's no turning back, baby. And baby's gone. Babe went to go take Farah back to school, and I think about 8 hours to do all of this. So let's see if I can get it done. So I already know that I am gonna run into some problems where the drawers are concerned, because I'm gonna show you guys how my drawers are constructed. It's gonna be difficult for me to take off the screws that actually pull open the drawer. So these right here, because there's this long line right here in my cupboard that's drilled in, and this is where these are screwed in. So what I plan on doing is actually just painting and leaving that those drawers until the end, because I can actually take out the cupboard ones. I can't take out the drawer ones. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna do the detail work, get a small brush and paint around them. I'm not going to take off these doors. I'm going to paint around these doors. I just feel like that's too much work and I can still do the same thing. I'm going to try to take these screws and screw it in the direction. So this is how the first cabinet looks so far, and this is the first, sorry, this is the first coat of paint. I'm gonna do another coat and see how that turns out, and then I'm gonna go in and detail around these screws to pull out the cabinets and stuff. So yeah. So this is my third and final coat on this side. It looks really good. And now I'm gonna start on this side. So I started about 6 a.m. It's after 2 now, and I only did those over there. Since I know what to do and know the flow. Hi, Malani. So since I know what to do and know the flow, I can probably do it a little bit faster over here. So yeah. So this is the first coat on this side, and this is how it looks. It kind of looks streaky and stuff. And when I first started, I was like, oh my god, what did I do? Did I just ruin the cabinet? But stick to the vision, stick to the plan. It's gonna come out good. Let me show you guys this side again, because it's semi-dry. Let me push this in a little bit. This is how the cabinets look semi-dry. It looks too good. Too good. I can't even pat myself on the back yet because I'm not done. But that's the first coat. Kind of looks streaky, a hot mess, but stick to the vision. Trust the process. This is the third coat on this side of the cabinet. I started this side late, so there's no more sun for me to really see what I'm doing. I'm sure tomorrow I'm gonna see imperfections and it's gonna need another coat, but that's fine. I still have inside the cabinets to paint, and I have like the hinges over here and all the cabinets to paint, really. But this is how it looks. Today is day 1. This side looks really good. So I didn't get as much as I wanted to do done. I really wanted to get all the bottom section done. I wanted to get all the bottom section painted in one day. I think this is gonna take me about 3 days, but it's fine. With that being said, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Tomorrow is when babe come. I didn't get to finish all of it, but let's see if we can do it tomorrow. We'll probably be racing against a clock, but anyways, let's see how much we can get done tomorrow. So this is I got up, finished inside of the bottom cover on the right side that I was doing yesterday, and started on the top portion of the cupboard. But babe said he's coming home in a few, so I want to get his reaction to when he see the whole cabinet painted, because I'm not done yet. So I'm gonna exchange this battery and show you guys how the cabinets look. So how they look so far. I'm gonna change the battery, feed the kids, and then I'm gonna go outside and wait until he comes home and hide. So hopefully I got babe's reaction on how it looks. He was super duper shocked. I'll insert the video he posted, but this is where I got to. So I have one more coat of paint to do on the inside. As you can see, it's a bit streaky still. I have I think 1 to 2 more coats on the inside on all of these, and then I have to start that section. I actually need to finish taping off all of these, and then also underneath, like under here, I need to tape it off and actually paint it. So it kind of looks dark. We're almost finished, and I'm gonna take like a 15-minute break because my hands are tired, and then I'm gonna start doing it again. So yeah, babe says it looks good. I agree, it looks amazing. So yeah,
I left this house and left brown cabinets like these. I just left one night, one day. I come back and this is a busybody woman. Look here. I came back to black cabinets. I'm not show off too much hard work. Make sure show off our own finished product when it's done. But the black is fire in the kitchen though, because it's gonna complement everything else, especially my stools and all that. Yeah, baby, do your thing. You have use one. I think I'll give somebody later. You present that. The same body.
so this is the last and final day, and all of this actually took me 4 days. I feel like if I didn't have kids or a lot of distraction with my children, I probably would have been finished in 2 days, but I stopped. I had to feed them and take care of them and all of that. And also, something that I learned is for the bottom cabinets, make sure that you tape off where the cabinets and the counter meet so you don't have a lot of spill to clean up where that is concerned. And also, I ended up taking out this glass mirror that you see me taping and painting. It was easier for me to just paint the cabinets like this. So yeah, and oh, also I ended up putting painter's tape on the knobs later on because it was easier for me to paint with the knobs covered instead of going in later and actually detailing. It allowed me to paint freely and not worrying about the knobs being covered with paint. With that being said, this is a very much trust the process, and it ended up needing a lot of coat of paint because we didn't use any primer. And I also painted along the grain of wood. So this is wood, and I painted along the grain. So anywhere the grain was going, that's how I painted these cupboards, and they ended up turning out beautiful, like you will see in the end. Oh, and Nani came and helped me paint for a little bit. So it's finally finished. Today already. Today, me watch I do some food. So over here is finally done. This was the best part. Literally licking this part out was the best part of this whole thing. Okay? Next time I was going through it. From moving here, me want to lick out that same thing. Yeah. So me fighting demon. From moving here, me don't want to lick out that same thing there. That is ugly. Sorry to all the people that were having at their house and like it, but it's ugly. And it made the kitchen look old. Sorry to the people. So this is how it looks. A brand new kitchen under $100. Just time. And labor.
$100.
Under $100.
Kai said he's ready for pizza.
He's ready?
Yeah, the pizza is still very hot, Makai.
So I wanted to show you guys our charging station. I got this charging station from Amazon. I'll link it below. I wanted some place where Babe can put all his stuff, his batteries for his computers, his business phone, his regular phone, and a place where all the kids can have their tablet to charge. I was tired of seeing all the phones just being plugged up all over the house. So this is the designated charging station in the kitchen area, and as you can see, both kids' tablets are being charged right now. And everything is packed up here back. Babe said he wants another light up here, so I'm gonna get another light and put it there, but all the lights for underneath are also put back up. So yep. And then I think I'm gonna get a light for this one right here. So yeah, and that's how the kitchen looks. I had to go in and do some touch-up right here because it wasn't dry and I accidentally closed it, so I went back in, did some touch-up paint, but the kitchen looks absolutely amazing. I'm gonna give you guys like far out shot. So this is how it looks completely done. It looks absolutely amazing. I have no qualms, no problem. Amazing. It is the best time I've ever spent doing anything in our house, and I will continue to do renovations and stuff this year because I want this house to be exactly like how I pictured it in my mind. And as you guys can see, I have that taped up because I need to do it. And I also fixed our LED lights. Next on the list is these lights. I'm going to switch out and put some smart lights up here that's dimmable and also that can change color, and I feel like that is going to bring the whole vibe together. I also went in and switched out the magnets. We had colorful magnets and I feel like it looked kind of tacky on the fridge, so I switched them out for some better super strong black magnets and that I got from Amazon, and I absolutely love them also. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy. This is the only video that I have for this week. I'm sure I'm going to get you guys more content, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below to see whatever I have next in store, because I have something else up my sleeve that I want to execute. And happy new year. Thank you guys for all the love and support, and I will see you next week. Deuces.
To be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is